Welcome back to new video. So basically it's part 2 of our C++ course. In this course we have seen introduction about C++ in part 1, so if you haven't watched it, link is in description, so it's better to have a look first at it. In the part 2, we will start with the writing our first CPP program. As you can look at the screen, it's a basic Hello World program, so you have seen it directly. Let's have a look, how is the each step we write. Let's start with the metaphor. You watch TV, and the remote you have can use to do various functions like control the volume, change the channel. So a programming language have 100s or more than that functions, which we need to learn. As we start the code, main is very important, as you can consider it as the on or off button of a television. It's hold the main function. Then comes the int, which defines the functioning of the program. We can give no of space in between the program, but as we want to be professional we can go with a single space. Then comes the curly brackets, which have its important place. So at the top we write hash, include, and in angular brackets iostream, which defines the input-output stream. Then comes a main thing in the code which is necessary to write, using namespace std, it's like a bucket which collects everything. Now we use the C, out, it's like the print statement for C++, we use like print, f in C language, here we use C, out. So you can see the syntax which is basic, and you will see the hello world written in double inverted commas. So the everything you write in this place will be printed in the result. Here is the hello world printed, and you are done with your first code. Here we conclude this video, see you in next part.